ever seen a library this beautiful? I hadn't until this one. During my trip to Seoul, I went to one of the city's most famous spot, the Starfield Library at the COEX Mall. And also I had an interesting Korean-Spanish moment.
Español mejor que tú. Soy coreano y tengo 33 años. Buddhism was invented
When you travel, I think you're bound to meet interesting people, right? So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I came to see Seoul's famous Starfield Library in the COEX Mall, but ended up hearing a language I never expected in Korea. I think I've reached because it's just a short walk away, and this is the COEX Mall. Wow, it's pretty chilly. So this is the mall entrance. At least the one where I'm entering. So COEX Mall is one of Asia's biggest underground malls in the popular district of Gangnam. You've probably seen this place on Instagram. It's a free public space with over 50,000 books and is easily one of Seoul's most iconic photo spots. So guys, I think we've reached the library. Let's see. As I walked through the COEX Mall, I could already see glimpses of the Starfield Library ahead, and honestly, even from a distance, it looks stunning. But after I stepped inside, I had an interaction with a Korean guy that completely surprised me, and I'll probably remember it for a while. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful. So guys, finally I'm in the library, I think. Just look at it. It's fantastic. It's very beautiful, and we are going on the first floor. I think a lot of people are here just for the photos, and yeah, actually there are people who actually read as well. Just check it out. So it's very beautiful. Yeah, a lot of people are actually reading as well, and there are a lot of people who are just taking photos. I really like it. It's not bad. I don't know if you should come here specifically, but if you're coming to Gangnam, you should definitely come here, and there's a Starbucks right inside the library, and it's a big mall, so you can have a lot of places to eat. If you want to spend half a day or a few hours, you can grab a coffee and grab a book. I think that's a very good way to spend some slow time. Some people would really enjoy it. I'm here in the evening. There are a lot of people around. So I think in the morning it would be very nice because there would be sunlight from this side. Not bad at all. So yeah, let's go. This library is stunning. Easily one of the most beautiful libraries I have ever seen, and you can really take some good photos here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you want to say hi? So hi, this is...
Oh my God. I'm here.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Subscribers from...
So he took our photo and he speaks Spanish, and we tried to speak in Spanish for like 2 minutes. So yeah, yo hablo un poquito español, pero
sí,
más español.
Mejor es, sí.
Mejor
mi español, creo que mi español mejor que tú. ¿Pero por qué? Hace
vale.
más de 6 años y 8 meses. Sí, tal vez.
Vale. So yo viviendo en España por 8 meses, Zaragoza, una sueta y próximo Barcelona. Vale. So for anyone who's Spanish and watching this, like my Spanish is not that good, I'm trying, but that's how much I love. Yeah. So,
Buena suerte.
Yeah. Buenas tardes and muy bien, yeah? Your name in Spanish is?
Yeah. En español.
Yeah.
Hola a todos. Los suscriptores de su canal. Me llamo Señor. Y ustedes pueden llamarme Chente o Vicente también. Soy coreano y tengo 33 años. Sí, nací en 1991. Mi trabajo es profesor de coreano. Trabajo en sí, camarero.
¿Tienes profe Korean idioma?
Sí, en online.
Yo profe inglés en España. Yeah, that's about it. Like, so yeah.
I think I need to practice English too.
I need to practice Spanish, I think. But I mean, I can understand it, but not fully. But if I learn a language fully, I think it's gonna be Spanish. It's really nice.
Not the progress. Don't worry. I can teach you Korean a little bit too.
Yeah. How do you say, like, what should I learn in Korean?
So, for example.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. Like, how do you say thank you?
감사합니다.
감사합니다. Yeah. 고마워요.
This is formal. Informal is 고마워.
고마워요
is formal. Informal way is 고마워. Yeah, because in Asian language always there are different, which one is formal and other is informal.
Okay, so there are formal. I think it's same for every language. Spain also has Spanish also has formal and informal, right?
Yeah, a little bit difficult. The grammar is a little bit different.
I think
So
grammar for any language
different.
is very different.
Yeah.
But very nice to meet you. Like you
Oh,
can
me
speak.
too. Oh, it was
I
like
never knew a Korean who speaks Spanish.
and Portuguese too.
Wow. So guys,
Eu sei falar português também, porque eu tenho muitos amigos brasileiros e umas amigas portuguesas também. Então, eu desejo que vocês tenham boa noite.
Wow. Guys, when you travel, I think you're bound to meet interesting people. So I am really glad he just like started talking and super nice, I would say.
And thank you for give your chance for
Yeah,
joining
so good.
your interview.
Yeah, we're gonna take a photo, I think. Yeah. Do you like what is the usual thing in Korea? You do like this?
This is a Korean heart.
Oh, this is a Korean art. I did not know. In India, what do we do? Namaste.
This is namaste.
Yeah, we
yes.
do namaste. Like namaste.
Yeah, I respect it because India is the Buddhism was invented.
Gautam Buddha.
I think Gautam Buddha was born in
Siddhartha.
India.
Because I'm Buddhist.
But this is also Hinduism.
Yes.
Yeah.
Namaste.
Namaste, guys. So yeah.
No, Gautam Buddha was born in Nepal.
He was born in Nepal, Lumbini.
Yeah,
Oh, sorry,
Lumbini.
I think he was born in Nepal. So India and Nepal is very close. And it was such an unexpected fun experience. Hope you enjoyed it too. Subscribe and check out my other Korean videos. You'll find tips and ideas for your own adventures. So guys, I just got to know that this brand 8 seconds that you can see, I don't know, it's actually a Samsung brand. I am surprised Samsung makes clothes as well.